Oh, the Flash?
Yep.
All right, boys, listen up.
Hey, I
Like,
can
okay.
hear the audio
Shooting down
now.
at the
Let's
McCain
go.
We got 3 officers fighting for their lives, and 3 have already lost theirs. We have something else, too. We got the name and probable location of the son of a bitch who did this. He lay
Yeehaw.
in wait, and when the police arrived, he opened fire on them with a rifle. Scott then fled the scene in an RV. A member of the public who was nearby when the shooting started got the license plate, which we've traced to a compound up on Sullivan Slope. Scott's details are coming through to your tablets. We don't know much about this guy. He used... All right, boys, listen up. We all heard about the shooting down at the McCabe station. We got 3 officers fighting for their lives, and...
So,
Mis nalgas.
Roger. 10-4. Copy that. Copy. Confirmed. Roger that.
Your your lasers are just on the ground. Both of your lasers.
Yeah, thanks, Doc.
what the fuck?
He's having a fucking... He's having a midlife crisis as a police officer. He's talking to the therapist over here.
Oh shit. You've been through a lot already? In one, like your 3 days you've been
Oh, yeah,
in
dude.
the academy?
I'm feeling it. Feeling it.
Entry
Here
All
we
I do is
go.
threat.
Suspects are no longer cooperating, and they may have planted traps.
Home
on
Alone
the
Part
premises.
3.
Move
Get
with
it.
extreme caution.
I'm going
This
straight
time
for the
I-
basement.
This time I got a grenade. I'm just gonna chuck it at him. I'm just kidding.
Disabling now.
So what the fuck is
That's
this
correct.
scroll for?
No! He kills you so fast!
How'd he die? Watch out, it's Trev.
Don't run or reach for anything!
Leave the top. Got a suspect down here.
What happened to Forge?
Bro, I got absolutely destroyed by that guy in the basement. He kills
Oh.
you so fast.
He will fuck you up, bro.
I wonder if that shield will protect you from the bomb. The door trap.
I don't think I have the item to disarm.
Yeah, I was telling Forge is a special item, right? Oh wait, there you go.
The clippers. You need
Disabling
clippers.
You have to,
You need to,
you
yeah,
just have
I,
to look at it.
you need to find a sweet spot. You ready, Ro? Get your good weapon now, bro.
I'm ready.
Oh, you want
We
me
going
to go in?
downstairs or we going clear the rest of the room? I feel like there's more people than
LSPD! Entry being done.
Dog.
Secured.
Secured.
LSPD, don't move!
probably just the downstairs area then.
Right, let's do it.
What's Trev?
Oh, it is? Yep.
Copy. Dealing with it now.
Good.
Yeah, it's good.
I'm gonna throw a rubber bomb in there. Well, I could actually flash him as well. But if I could like open up the little slot here. Oh shit!
He's not messing around.
Guns and leave. Hands up! Anything on you that might hurt me? Got him.
He's got armor on too, I think.
Talk to entry team. Proceed with mission.
I
That
shot
guy
my
doesn't
4
mess
times with the
around.
Magnum. Shot 4 times with the Magnum and you're still
Wait,
alive.
don't go, don't
It's
go.
strapped.
Yeah.
Entry team to talk.
This is Talk.
Officer
Notifying temps.
Disarming.
Okay, I'm gonna toss like a grenade that's made out of rubber to like fuck him up, and then I'm gonna go try to tase him, and we'll see how it goes.
He died, imagine. Oh, there's somebody else left alive. Where?
It's a rubber
What happened?
bomb. Not here. Was that him?
Oh!
He run it. Did you run into a bomb?
Perhaps. I opened the door and there was a bomb on it. I totally forgot to hit peek.
He might be on 3rd floor. I don't think y'all cleared that.
Yeah, there's probably on the 3rd floor.
Don't move. Leave the dock. I got one officer down. In need of Thames right now.
Cheer River by helping us use the street.
Talk here. Situation is under control. Mission complete.
We did it, guys!
No way.
Woo! We did it! Woo!
You just forgot to secure one dude and we missed a couple evidence, but we got it.
What? How did we win that?
Woo! Don't question the police methods, Forge. Just trust the process.
Oh my god.
Remember when Raul shot that old man? Just trust the process.
Straight up. Need to check out that zombie mod that El Rey was talking about. So there's a zombie mod for this game.
Really?
Yeah, he said it changes the bad guys into like zombies, and you gotta go rescue hostages or some shit like that.
This is Talk. Our negotiator has lost contact with the suspect, and we believe they have set traps. Make entries. Exercise extreme caution.
It's over. Get yourself up. Police, drop it. Put your fucking
Drop the goddamn gun, bitch! You see how many times I have to shoot with a beanbag? It's crazy. Oh, watch out. You guys watching that corner.
hands on your head. Do it now.
Do we have like a flashbang we can throw over there?
Yeah, wait,
No.
Lead the talk. We got a
Talk
suspect here ready for
Excellent
trailers.
work. Don't stop now.
let me reload.
He's dead, neutralized.
You serious right now?
Entry team to talk.
This
Now
is
you're
Talk.
good to go for
We're
evac.
ready.
Looks like he's just bleeding out on the floor. He's not dead.
No, he's dead.
I think there's still traps, by the way, so let's be careful of that.
got you, I got you, I got you, I got you.
Dude, I couldn't stop the fucking animation for restraining this guy.
This is Talk.
Holy
Notifying
shit,
medical.
this guy was
Please
hiding
stop
behind
your
the guy.
bleeding.
Talk. Trailers on the way.
I'm not bleeding. Oh, watch out, ahead. He's blinded?
Oh, good
He was
blind.
putting the gun down. I just
Good
see multiple
blind.
bullets going.
Entry team to talk. Suspect down.
Notifying morgue.
Yeah, you there.
Okay.
I'm gonna
This
throw a
room,
rubber
no?
nade.
Trap.
Cover me. Disarming the device. Element to talk.
Talk to lead. Medical assistance is standing by.
Hands on your head, now!
This place is trapped over here.
Don't touch our real criminals, man! Let me go!
Lead to talk.
This is Talk. Trailers en route.
Contact
Entry
is
team,
down.
this is Talk. Thames notified.
Suspect ain't going anywhere.
Down on the ground, move! Police, get your hands up!
Multiple doors here we haven't opened.
Oh! Don't do that to me, Forge!
I heard running in the hallway. I was like, who is that? Oh, I didn't even check to see if that one had traps. I could have just been gone there.
I'm gonna ram it.
Trap. Right here.
Oh, good thing I didn't ram that.
Let me check under the door.
Guy in here.
I can't disarm it, bro. It won't let me. What the fuck?
Let me try.
Little finicky.
Police, get down!
Turn around and
Oh,
stay
they downed
still.
me. They downed me.
Get down now!
No! School! Where do you go?
Talk to Element.
Go for
Great work.
element to talk.
Keep going.
I'm with you guys in the same room, same area, kinda.
Oh, okay, okay.
Entry team to talk. Got one
Talk to
down.
entry team. Notifying medical.
Ready to go. Element to talk. Civilian
Talk
is
to
down and
lead.
needs evac.
Notifying Thames.
Yeah, up ahead, watch out.
Lead, this is Talk. Proceed with mission.
Lead to talk. Civilian
Talk
good to
to
go.
entry team. Trailers incoming.
Stay down and turn around. Entry team to talk.
Lead,
that's
this
all
is
fine.
Talk.
I
Keep
died in
going.
the room on your right.
LSPD, hands up! Hands up! Spread your fingers.
He just flipped you up? What the fuck?
Bro, he's like,
going on doesn't involve me.
Element to talk.
Reporting. We have a use of force model for a reason.
He just
For
fucking
being a
takes us.
dick.
He just straight up flipped Forge, dude. He ran up to him and then flipped him off.
He could have fucking shot him by accident too, man.
Yeah, dude, if it was me, I would have
What a
started
fucking
blasting.
dick.
It's so funny because I watched that shit go down on the fucking body cam point of view.
Do you know that there's a
The little
button,
thing-
Raul, to check your magazine? Like your ammo count?
No.
Make sure you bind it. It's unbinded by default.
Police, down on the ground! Get down now!
To check the amount of ammo you have, you said?
Yeah, how much ammo you have in the clip.
Turn around. Turn around. Keep your hands up.
I put mine on the side mouse button.
Need to talk.
Doc
Civilian
here.
restrained and
Trailer's
for
ready.
transport.
Locate the sniper rifle in room 1204. This is 1202, 1203, 1204.
You're a professional. Start acting like it.
Did you tase the same guy again? Or what
Maybe.
happened?
That dude got mad. Start acting.
Entry team to talk. We got some weapons here. Element to talk. Weapons
Element, this
secure.
is Talk. Collect what you can and keep moving.
Locate sniper rifle in 1201.
The team received just moments ago outlines the demands that the shooters have. Please be warned that this clip may be disturbing to some.
This country was built on values of freedom and liberty.
Need to talk.
Things
Talk
that
to
we
Element.
taken from
Secure
us.
it and keep going. This is Talk. Nice work, entry team. First round's on me tonight.
Our government wants to punish my brothers
Yeehaw.
and dedication. We demand
It's not
that
like
the
we just
legislation
lost
be
the
thrown
man.
out. We have
But I mean,
made
yeah, you
preparations
guys go
so
out and have your
it is
drink.
not thrown out, and we'll use
Have your drink.
Roads
Goddamn,
around the
A+.
building have been barricaded
And I'm
by
dead.
police.
Yeehaw.
Everyone within the
Or the-
radius has been ordered to remain indoors and away.
Just an A.
Minus -1 for the fucking penalty.
Talk to entry team. Negotiations have fallen apart. Move to secure the premises. Suspects are highly volatile.
Oh, there's somebody directly in front of the doors.
Alright.
Got a flash. Somebody breach it.
Wait, hold on. I'm trying to do this.
Hello, Scrubs. I'm Rambo. I know you're glad to meet me.
Yep, back up.
Down on the ground! I can't see anything! I can't see anything! Drop it! Police, drop the weapon! Police, drop the weapon!
What the fuck? Don't mess around with
Police,
ready for work.
get down! I want to see
Put your
hands!
hands up now!
Get down and keep your hands on your head! Drop the weapon! Drop the weapon now!
Get down and don't move! Come on, fuck. Hands up!
He went on the left.
Come out now!
Yeah, he's down. He's got a 10.
Get back!
Need you to stay still. Son of a bitch. Fuck. Put our guns down. Now. I'm not going to jail.
Oh, they got you, Forge. No. I didn't get hanged.
Fucking shit! Shit, what the fuck? Drop your fucking weapons! Come on, goddammit! Ah, shit, what the fuck? Drop your weapons! Oh, God!
This is Doc. Trailers inbound.
We have a suspect down here. Need Thames ASAP. Entry team top. Got a suspect down here.
Talk to lead.
Suspect
Proceed
returned.
with mission.
How do you check the cameras again to see your
Entry
body
team,
cams?
this is Talk.
You press T.
Trailers incoming.
Element at the top. Suspect
Talk
is
to entry
incapacitated.
team. Thames
You just
notified.
gotta hold it.
For sure, for sure.
Stop! Go to hell!
Doc here.
I don't have to listen to you!
Oh, shit, shit. I'm on my way, I'm on my way.
Don't shoot!
At this rate, we're gonna end up like DeFanco.
Needs to be rebuilt from the ground up. You can push F to make him command him to the ground.
Raise your hands!
No way!
I forgot about that, bro.
You're like tasing everybody.
I'm some real shit, yeah.
Civilian restrained.
here and screw with us like
Entry team top. Good to
It's a
go.
fucking massacre you find me, bro. It's over. Better hope you don't find me. Oh, shit.
Put your hands up and get down. Put your hands up now.
Bro, no, chill.
Alright, I dropped it!
Chill, bro.
What happened?
You fucking shot me, man.
Shut up and don't move.
What do you mean? I'm arresting people over here.
Or you shot the lady, I think.
Get down now.
No? I'm just shooting these guys.
Don't worry.
The fuck? Why was there like blood splatter over here then? Fuck.
I don't know. Maybe one of these guys, one of these dumbasses sprayed over
No
there.
trouble. Don't worry.
Trying to shoot at you.
You
Civilian
can't
ready to
just
go.
come in here and
You can tell it wasn't me or you because we didn't get any negative points. It would have popped up on our overlay.
They might have hit one of the civilians, but didn't kill him, so.
All we do here is host servers, you know?
Oh yeah, all we do is host servers while we're blasting at the cops. Why are you guys tripping?
You already reported homeboy. Oh
I'm sorry.
shit!
I'm sorry.
Get down and don't move.
Oh god, he scared me.
You already
I don't let
reported.
that-
You already reported a forged body.
No, I didn't find it. I thought you did that.
No, not yet.
I like
I was
walked
clearing out.
right over it too.
Yeah, we walked over it like twice. I think I did at least. I see it. I'm recording. Oh, I think we did. Yeah, we did. Somebody did at least. Not me.
Bum, 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 bum. Tonight, we drink in your honor.
Place is a mess.
No badge, no warrant. You guys are fucked and you know it.
Guess this is the last room.
Oh, fuck.
I can't kick
Bro,
it with
where'd
a
you-
broken leg.
Dude,
Where'd you
what?
go?
Did you just wait? Did you just kick that door when it was peaked and it didn't do anything?
How many jobs are going to be
Yeah, it
lost
said
because
that
of
I got a
this?
broken
What are
leg,
you
so
doing here?
then
What
I guess
the
I
hell?
couldn't push through.
God damn it!
What are we missing? Yeah, there's still a bed. I think this is
Well,
the
there,
room.
there is a room here. Well, it's actually outside.
Put your hands up.
Oh,
Get
upstairs! I
down.
found the
Don't wait
upstairs
for
area.
anything.
Upstairs?
Yeah. And this door over here is locked.
Yeah, there are people that can spawn outside on this map.
Go back to the gorgeous buddy right here. There you go. The door on my left here is the exit. So I guess it leads
Alright.
outside, but it's locked. And there's stairs up here. I didn't go up here. I don't know about you.
I got your cam on. Like on the top right. Also have forged, or I had.
You want to breach it? Or I don't know if there's people in there. I don't have no camera or anything. I have a broken leg, so I can't kick it open either.
We already checked this.
I didn't. What about the admin room?
No, I haven't checked yet.
Get down now!
Police, hands up.
LSPD, don't move!
It's empty.
Police,
Show me the
don't
palms
move!
of your hands. Don't move.
Nothing. Oh, what the hell? Hell yeah.
So there's nothing over here.
Got a nice little achievement.
They're probably outside.
Either. Probably.
Nah, this is the same room. This is the server room. Fuck that.
I'm trying to figure out how to get out.
Oh, yeah, we could go outside through this side as well, I guess. I think it's upstairs, right? Is it upstairs? Gee.
I don't know. I thought we checked all of upstairs. No, I'm just checking downstairs now outside.
Oh, come straight ahead. After you get out of the server room, make a right, I believe. Don't make a left. Yep, right outside the server room. Oh, you're already outside, actually. Fuck.
Yes, sir.
Didn't even look at the camera.
You guys are cops.
Oh, bitch.
Hey
That's
Skull,
good, that's
go
good.
around the left side of the building.
I think maybe down where the exit is. It was locked down that way too. Like kind of leading you to suspect there might be some shit over here.
We just need to bring
Oh, what about that?
order to
Is
the
that
chaos.
room accessible? That's live.
Right behind you.
Glitched mission?
Nah. Has to be like some kind of specific character.
There's an upstairs area. Oh, there's a roof. Can you get on the roof?
Let's find out.
Yeah, look, you can get up here.
I'm getting flashbacks to the old man.
Yes.
Put your hands up now! Don't move around. Drop the gun! Got him. Talk.
What are you shooting at?
Keep going.
I want him to stay scared.
It won't let me secure it.
damn it.
Just kept.
You gotta make sure you
Just
keep
kept
him scared, Forge, so they don't try anything funny. Like this guy. Dude, my whole left side is fucked up.
Entry team, this is Todd. Medical assistance is standing by.
Oh shit, look, it's like a rainbow bird. Look up. What the fuck is that?
What is that? What's going on? The bird's
What,
got
the airplane?
like.
That's
Yeah,
not
but
an
why is it,
airplane.
Why is it flashing green and green and pink?
It's like flapping
'cause
its wings.
Because it's
though.
an airplane. On the wings, it flashes red and green lights.
But it's
That's what airplanes do,
flapping.
bro.
It's flapping. It's not flapping, bro.
No, Forge. It looks very off.
It looks like a fucking
From
bird,
my,
bro.
from my perspective, it looks like an airplane.
There, move.
Yeah, but you're on the body cam, so it looks a little distorted and stuff. It
Yeah.
should look like that right now for me. This is the guy's eyes. It looks weird.
It looks like some. Yeah, I don't know.
Looks like a UFO.
Yeah, look. At first, I thought it was like some kind of bird.
Like, I would expect the lights to be like tiny or some shit, like barely visible.
Now, yeah, now it
Like,
looks
those
like
are two
some
giant
kind of entity.
bars.
It looks like some kind of
Two
like,
giant bars.
like some kind of soul, with like lightning
let's
coming
see.
out of it.
Are we missing something?
I don't. Yeah, I think we're good here. Fucking go.
Dr.
I was just
Melvin.
looking at the bird.
That's how we get it done, folks.
Fucking
Roll
wow.
in for debrief.
What?
Y'all didn't report me. Y'all didn't
wouldn't-
report me.
But it wouldn't let us.
Yeah, I
Look at
even
what
got
I
like,
have
I even got right next to you. Like I
I
was
thought we
right
already
next to
did.
you.
Interesting.
It wouldn't even
Hey,
let us
Buggy.
look at the brief. When we go into the lobby.
It'd be buggy.
Little buggy.
Officer Bewley,
Just
report
a
to staff
little.
training. Officer Bewley, report to staff training.
She's getting her done though. Hey, the beanbag shotgun?
SWAT unit.
The beanbag shotgun? That shit's huge. Feeling it. I'm feeling it. And then when they don't put their gun down, you could just keep shooting them, and then they don't die. You know, they're just dancing around in pain.
As long as you don't hit them in the head, they don't die. Headshots
keep
kill
body
'em.
tap. Kills them. Holy shit!
Yeah, I'm almost trying to kill him.
That to a beanbag.
He says, "I'm hoping they don't put their guns down." They scream, "Put your gun down!" I just wait for them to start relaxing.
don't even say anything, bro. You start fucking blasting. Self-defense. I just yell self-defense. Bam, 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 bam. Self-defense.
He's got a gun.
Yep. Hung.
It doesn't matter how hard we work or how much we care. None of it makes a damn bit of difference.
What? You can unlock tattoos? That's crazy.
Schmitty,
You got tattoos,
no!
Forge?
Yeah.
Let's go. How do you unlock this stuff? Is it like you gotta buy it or something? Oh, that's